I haven't even left my hotel parking lot because I'm not able to due to all of this snow. Take a look at this right here behind me. I parked this, and this was clear last night around midnight, just a light dusting on it. Now there's about 1.5 feet of snow on top of my vehicle, all right here. This is a little part of the reason why I'm not going to be leaving this parking lot anytime soon. I'll show you after this quick video. Now, as you can see right here, there are some cars that were trying to get out of the parking lot. And look at that, not able to because there's over 1.5 feet roughly of snow so far. And we're told the snow's only going to be continuing through the rest of this afternoon.
I know.
Huh? I want to show you the impact that we're seeing right now. It is crawling both northbound and southbound on I-25. But more importantly, if you do see, let me try to waddle out of the way, we have probably 10 to 15 trucks pulled off. Looks like a lot of them are doing something with the chains on the wheels. We're not fully sure what's occurring, but there is a lane blocked in some areas with a ton of tractor trailers pulled over. We're down to asphalt, we're down to slushy roads, but what we watch is the second round. So travel is not advised. We just had plows pass and there's still a slush on the ground. Here we go, we got another plow approaching. We'll send it back to you guys, but we'll also work to keep you updated because this will be an ever-changing condition. Within the next 2 hours, I think we see snow-covered roads, rapid accumulations make a return.
Our successes are your downfall. See, this is what happens. You get too much business. You start worrying about your customers. I don't know what to call it, but these folks have built out a tremendous experience for everyone to go sledding and go super fast. Look, there's a little bump. Boom! Hello. We love to see it. Plenty of kiddos out here having a blast, you all. They have the snowing, and the skiing, and
good girl.
Come over here. Look.
Another night in paradise.
It's Colorado, right?
Yeah, something like it. I'll try and get some momentum going for you, so that way when you're in neutral, you can just try and do it, and then we can reposition and just try and like push you through. I don't know if you can see my hand. A little more. There you go. Okay. All right, straighten out and contact. Break. Just slow it. Yeah, there you go. And now hit it. Punch it. Try to get him up to speed.
for you to go to? Sisters here?
We don't have anything because we were planning to go home today, so we might as well just stay because we don't have money, and they won't help us, and we can't really do anything. So,
what would you like to do?
I would like at least a hotel. Like, I'm fine for Saturday. I get the weather's bad, but I need a hotel because I'm really tired, and it's awful to stay overnight in the airport with my sister. Yeah.
You said that you're hurting. Do you feel safe
Yeah.
here? Or?
I do not know because we have luggage, we have computers, tablets, everything in our bags, and that can get stolen and while we're sleeping. So